Hello everyone, welcome back to Unite Coaching. So in this video, we are going to see MCQs for ATP exam related to the topic Maharashtra Regional Town Planning Act, that is MRTP Act 1966. So let's start the video. So the first question is, in Regional Planning Board, members from houses of state legislature shall not exceed 4, that is 2 from each house, 1, that is 1 from each house, 6, that is 3 from each house, and 10, that is 5 from each house. So the answer is 4, that is 2 from each house. मतलब विधान सभा से 2 और विधान परिषद से 2. So the second question is, regional board member should address his or her resignation to. मतलब जो member है regional board का, उसने अपना resignation किसको देना चाहिए? So the options are chairman of regional planning board, director of town planning officer, या फिर state government. So the answer is स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. जो भी रीजनल बोर्ड के मेंबर्स है, अगर उनको रिजाइन करना है तो वो अपना रेजिग्नेशन देंगे किसको? तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को. So the next question is, any vacancy in regional planning board should be filled by. अगर किसी ने रिजाइन किया तो वो वैकेंसी हो जाती है, तो वो वैकेंसी कौन फिल करेगा? चेयरमैन ऑफ रीजनल प्लानिंग बोर्ड, डायरेक्टर ऑफ टाउन प्लानिंग ऑफिसर, या फिर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. So the answer is state government. जब भी कोई वैकेंसी होती है, state government has the authority to fill that vacancy. The fourth question, the appointment of newly joined member will be for 5 years, for 2 years, tenure remained of resigned member, and the last option is tenure remained of resigned member plus 1 year. मतलब वैकेंसी के बाद जो पर्सन अपॉइंट होता है वो कितने ड्यूरेशन के लिए अपॉइंट किया गया है? सो द आंसर इज टेन्योर रिमेन्ड ऑफ रिजाइन मेंबर. मतलब एक आधा पर्सन रिजाइन करके चला गया तो उसका जितना ड्यूरेशन बाकी है वो ड्यूरेशन के लिए न्यू पर्सन अपॉइंट किया जाएगा. The next question is, which of the following is or are the power and duties of regional board as per section 8 of MRTP Act 1966. नीचे कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए हैं, उनमें से कौन से पावर और ड्यूटीज है रीजनल बोर्ड के वो आपको बताना है. तो फर्स्ट इज टू कैरी आउट सर्वेज एंड टू प्रिपेयर रिपोर्ट्स ऑन सर्वेज, टू प्रिपेयर एग्जिस्टिंग लैंड यूज मैप एंड सच अदर मैप्स, टू प्रिपेयर द रीजनल प्लान, to perform other duties related to preparation of regional plan. इन चारों में से कौन से power and duties है regional board के? So the first option is option 3 is correct, मतलब to prepare the regional plan. Option 1 and 2. Next is option 4. और the last option is ये जो चारों दिए गए हैं वो power और duties है regional board के. That is all of the above options are correct. So the answer is option D. All of the above are correct. The next question, that is sixth question, is who decides the time and place of meeting after the submission of draft regional plan? मतलब जब एक ड्राफ्ट सबमिट होता है तो वो मीटिंग के लिए कौन डिसाइड करता है टाइम एंड प्लेस? चेयरमैन ऑफ रीजनल प्लानिंग बोर्ड, डायरेक्टर ऑफ टाउन प्लानिंग ऑफिसर, या फिर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. So the time and place is decided by the chairman of regional planning board. Next question is, if chairman is absent for the meeting, who will lead the meeting of regional planning board? That is as per section 9. मतलब अगर chairman absent है तो वो जो meeting conduct की जा रही है तो उसको कौन lead करेगा? Any one member amongst the members, director of town planning officer, or vice chairman? So the answer is vice chairman. If a chairman is absent, the meeting is led by vice chairman. The eighth question is, as per section 10 of MRTP Act, expert cannot take part in the discussion in meeting but can cast his vote. Expert can take part in the discussion in meeting but cannot cast his vote. Expert can neither take part in the discussion in meeting nor he can cast his vote. Expert can take part in the discussion in meeting and can also cast his vote. मतलब जो एक्सपर्ट अपॉइंट किए गए होते हैं तो वो अपना वोट दे सकते हैं क्या या फिर वो डिस्कशन में पार्ट ले सकते हैं क्या अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 10. So the option is they can take part in the discussion but they can't cast their vote. That is, expert can take part in the discussion in meeting but cannot cast his vote. The next question is expenses such as salaries, allowances, fees and other remunerations payable to members shall be met from. जो भी salaries देते हैं, allowances like transport allowances या जो भी होता है fees, वो कहाँ से आता है? मतलब members को जो pay कर रहे हैं अपन, वो कहाँ से met होता है? Contingencies Fund of India, Consolidated Funds of India, funds given by the central government, and the last option is funds given by state government. So the correct answer is funds given by the state government. And the last question is which of the following is or are the land management options under MRTP Act 1966? Land acquisition, TDR, plot reconstruction method and all of the above. So मतलब ऐसे लैंड मैनेजमेंट ऑप्शंस अंडर MRTP एक्ट में कौन से हैं? So the answer is all of the above: land acquisition, TDR and plot reconstruction method. So अपन ने अभी 10 questions study किए. If you like this video, do like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.